Welcome back to Tranquilly Coding. This is our second video of our new series Mastering Tab Layout. So in our first video, we have seen some of the examples of how tab layout can be used in different purposes, what type of tab layout there are, with icons, without icons, just text, everything like that. So now in this video, I'll teach you how to customize the tab layout in any way you want. So this was our previous code. I removed some of the parts and kept only the 4 tabs. So this was our simple tabs. Now let's add the indicator color. So that changes the indicator color of the tab that is selected. Now let's add the tab padding. So right now you can see the tabs are bigger. Make the width wrap content. So now the items are very much close together and aligned to the left. Let's fix the alignment. We are using relative layout, so central horizontal true. And let's change some of the other things like ripple color and text color. So now you can see the text color is changed. Let's test it. Here you can view the changes. It's not looking good, but this is the changes we made. Let's remove all this. We can customize everything from the styles. So I named the style custom tab theme. Inside the themes.xml I created this style. First I want to add a background. For that I created an XML called tab_background. So I need 2 XML files for that. One is for the selection state, one is for the unselection state. So the first one is the selection state and this is the colored one, and the second one is this is the unselected states with just the white background color. So now add all this. The colored one will have the state selected true and the uncolored one will not have that. In the themes I added it as the tab background and added the drawable. Now test it. Right now you can see there is a background to all the tabs when it is selected. When it is not, it is showing white. So let's add a margin little bit on the top to make it look better. So now let's set the indicator to null because we add a custom background, we don't need the indicator at all. Let's test it. This is looking much better, but we need to fix the text. Tab layout allow us to use text appearance to customize the whole text at once. So let's create text appearance. So I am naming it custom tab text appearance. This will be for all the tab text. This is not about selection or unselection. This is about all the text. So I added a text size, text color and text all caps. And I'm just shifting the color a little bit because 0000000 looks pretty bad. And now I added another text appearance for the selected state only. So one will be for all text and another will be for only the selected text. So in this selected tab we change the text color to white because we want the selected one to be white and the unselected will be the black as usual. So let's run it. And here you can see the changes have been made. Now let's modify the text for a little bit. So I changed the text style to normal for both and I choose the font family for the selected one. And also the text size on the selected one is little bit larger, 16 sp, while the unselected or the normal one is a 14 sp text size. Now we can add like a little margin in the front and the back, margin end and margin start to make it look little better. So there you have it. Now what we can do, we can change all of this to an icon to see how icon looks like. Just only icons, not the text. We can combine both icon and text together, but it doesn't look so great. So this is the icons. For icon tint, it is a little bit complex. We cannot just add icon tint for both selected and normal state. For that, we need a custom color value. So I have created a color value. This is called tab_icon_color.xml and it is placed under the color folder. So you can create a new resource folder called color and put this XML file inside it. Inside the theme, you can add it as tab icon tint, or you can just add in the XML as app tab icon tint and just add this color value, and that will change the both state of the color, the selected one and the unselected one. So let's test it, and you can see it's working properly as it should. Now I removed everything because we can add the tabs programmatically using Kotlin or Java as well. So I removed everything, and let's add them from the Kotlin file. So first I want to add the view binding because it is easier to work with IDs with view binding. And this is our activity, and I have just added the binding. Now the content view with the binding, and this is our first tab, second tab, third tab, fourth tab, and this is how it look like. So this is the tabs with the icons, and we can add the text as well. So first tab, second tab, third one, and the fourth one, and this is the preview. So this is our customization so far. We can add a lot of things like tab background, tab max white, minimum white, tab mode, etc, etc, but all of these things somewhat kind of feel overwhelmed, so we want to keep it simple and minimal so that it looks as we want it to look, but not actually overdoing anything. So this is the customization so far. In the next video I'll teach you how to add it to the different fragment situations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.